So here we are. This is the almost birthday girl. She's going to be 5 years old on Sunday. We woke up this morning in Indiana, and now we are in Perrysburg, Ohio, because we're picking up her cake. Now, because we're vegan, it's not always easy to get vegan cakes, but we found a place in Perrysburg, 7 Little Cupcakes, and we're going to pick up some cakes, and then we're going to have some cupcakes for ourselves too, and maybe they'll have some donuts for us, huh? We'll see. But 7 Little Cupcakes in Perrysburg, Ohio has vegan cakes, vegan cupcakes, and they're doing the birthday cake for us. So let's see what they have for us in here.
I want a pink donut.
And here we are approaching 7 Little Cupcakes in Perrysburg, Ohio, 121 Indiana Street in Perrysburg, Ohio. So it looks like everything they have is absolutely delicious. They have gluten-free, they have vegan, and believe me, I searched far and wide to find a vegan cake. Here's the cake. I'm sneaking it from Trinity so she can't see it, but I'll show you all what it looks like. Hello again. We are now leaving Sterling Lake Park in Monroe, Michigan. Today is the birthday girl's special day. Come here, Trin. It's her special day. She's 5 years old today. I cannot believe it. And so we're here just about to leave Sterling Park, and we are on our way for a spa day for Trinity and her best friend. That's why we came back to Michigan, so that she can celebrate. 5 years old. Happy birthday, baby. So here we are headed into VIPKid Spa. There you go.
Is it a girl or a boy? Look at her. Oh my God.
Here we are at Spa.
Get another one.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna get this one.
Okay. And Eliana, let me see your color again. Ding. There you go. Nice. That's pretty. And you're getting those two, Trinity? All right. Very nice. All the little ladies here getting their chocolate facials and pedicures, and they get manicures after that. And there's Eliana, and there's Trinity, having her spa day for her birthday at VIPKid Spa at 12 Oaks Mall in Novi. Are you having a good time, Trent? Yes. You like your chocolate face, huh? Ellie, do you like your polish? Look at there. Do you like it? So Trinity is inside now with Eliana celebrating Trinity's 5th birthday at VIPKid Spa, and they're having their chocolate facials And manis and patties. Trin. I see, they're pretty. How pretty are those?
If you get a smaller size, they're going to be
So pretty. And you picked out your color for your nails? Yes.
I'd love to come with you. That sounds amazing.
Yes.
So what was the best place you went? Very successful. You like that one? The little fairy. Yay. All right. This one. You ready to pick some? This one. All right. This is a glitter tattoo. Have you ever had one before? No? Alright, so I'm going to show you how it works. Press it on like this. Peel off this part. We don't need the paper. You want to make sure that everything is patted down so we can get the perfect fairy, right? So this is our body glue, which will let your tattoo stay on for 5 days. Unless you want to scrub it off. Then just scrub it and it'll come right off, okay? Alright. Now we're going to take this to your skin. How does it feel? Does it feel a little cold? Really cold.
Wow. A fairy.
Yay!
And, mm-hmm.
You see
Ellie,
that pretty flower?
can I see your
So
tattoo?
cute. Look at it.
Ellie, can I see your glitter tattoo?
Isn't that cute?
Oh, how beautiful. Do you like it?
Oh, so
Yes. Oh my goodness. First grade workbook. Yay. Those are pretty, huh?
Like this. Okay.
Yay. Close up here.
Oh, perfect. Like that.
All right. And then very nice. So what do you say? Oh, and headbands. Very nice. Happy birthday, Trinity. Love, Eliana.
Mama.
Okay, I'm trying to hurry so these little thin ones don't burn up. Okay. Maybe we won't do it too loud, but we'll do it. Happy birthday to you.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Trinity. Happy birthday to you.
Not too close.
That's the first time for
Oh
that.
my gosh, that's so cool.
Oh my goodness. You guys gonna be grandparents of the century behind this. Oh my goodness.
Sing the birthday song in Spanish?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños, Trinity. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Yay!